Hello everyone, you're watching EngLanGo and this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi with one of the important and interesting topics today. The topic that I brought today is about has, have, had. How do we use them as a main verb and how do we use them as a helping verb? इन वर्ब्स को हम एज अ मेन वर्ब कैसे यूज करते हैं और इनको हम एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब कैसे यूज करते हैं. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन वी पीपल आर यूजिंग देम वी यूज देम फॉर पोजेशन और ऑनरशिप. When something is in our possession or something is in our ownership or something is our ownership, we are using these verbs as a main verb. As a main verb. We use them as a main verb. How do we use them as a main verb? Just see. For example, I have a pen. I have a pen. Now it shows ownership or possession, and besides that we have classes. It shows possession here. Have is use is a main verb here. अगर आप देख ले यहाँ पर subject main verb have and then object we have. That's how we are making the structure for it. Now we need to know that she has a smartphone. Now she is the singular subject, that's why we are using has here as a main verb. She has a marker, she has a smartphone, she has or he has a mobile, he has books. That's how we are using with he has, it has, we are using has. And it has a smartphone is incorrect. It doesn't mean it has a smartphone. Besides that, we are having we have, you have, we can have you have, we can have they have, you have, they have. Clear? That's how we are using it as a main verb. In the past of have and has, इन दोनों का जो past होता है, that is the past of it. Past form. Main verb में ये had is a past form use होता है. How do we use it? Just see. I had a marker. It means I don't have marker now, I had it. I had a smartphone, it means I don't have it now. I had two friends, it means I don't have them now. That's how we are using it for the past. I hope it's clear. His and have, they are used as a auxiliary verb too, is a helping verb too. ये is a helping verb भी use होते हैं. For example, she has played cricket. अब यहाँ पर has main verb का help करता है. What is helping verb? A verb which is helping the main verb to complete or give the meaning or give correct meaning. That's called helping verb. इसी तरह they have taken classes or they have taken the classes. They have taken the classes. Here, taken is the past participle third form of the verb have. और ये जो structure हम describe करते हैं, same. I have, they have, we have, you have is a helping verb. ये यूज होता है. Here it is used as a helping verb. इसको हम as a helping verb यूज करते हैं sentence में क्योंकि यहाँ पर main verb है. If you see here the verb is taken, here it's played. So when there is main verb in present perfect tense, we use them. In present perfect continuous tense, then we are using have been. For example, they have been teaching at the University of spoken English. They have been teaching at the University of Peshawar. They have been teaching in University of Chicago. I have been teaching in University of London, XYZ. That's how we are going to go for it in present perfect continuous. वहाँ पर भी जो है present perfect continuous में have been or has been is a auxiliary verb use होते हैं. They are used as an auxiliary verb. और इनके past perfect tense में हम क्या use करते हैं? Past perfect tense में. In past perfect tense we are using had. She had played. They had play. I had play. We had play. He had play. With all subject. ये जो है had, we use it with all subject. Is a main verb में इसमें past form में जो है past में हम इसको is a main verb भी सब subject के साथ use करते हैं और अगर इसको is a helping verb हम use करते हैं still we are using them with all subjects. सिर्फ had, he, his और have दोनों का जो past form है that is had. I hope it's clear to you. Has and have is used for ownership and possession. Is a main verb, it is used, and the examples are here. Some examples are here. Simply we are saying you have a friend. They have a computer. That's how we are using has and have is a main verb, and we are using had is a main verb in the past. We're using have and has as a helping verb too. Have been and has been or had been also in past perfect continuous tense. Then we are using had been. We're using had been. That's all about today. If there is any question, you're most welcome to ask me in the comment box. Have a great time. Stay blessed. Have a nice day ahead or nice time ahead.